What's going on, everybody? I'm getting ready to get started on fixing a shifter, K-Tune shifter for my buddy. He's got a little bit of slop in it. I fixed it one time, and then I think he was banging some gears too hard, and it kind of rattled loose. It's a typical Honda. It's an EG. Pretty sure he's got solid motor mounts, or at least the racing motor mount. I can't remember which style he has, but I do know he's got a little bit of vibration, so it's pretty typical with him. He'll be in here in a little bit. I'm just cleaning up a little bit, get some tools organized, and we'll be getting that undergone. So and I got to finish making up a little bracket. I got a template. I'm about to draw it out and get it cut out for him, and so try to capture all that on here. And so as soon as he gets here, we'll get started on it, getting our hands dirty. So I'm getting ready to fix this sloppy shifter. That's in first gear there. Second, sloppy. That's neutral. Fifth gear, sloppy. We like the sloppy toppy, but not on this. So I gotta drop this, and we gotta tighten up the bolts in here. So we'll show you how to do it. And I'm making a new cover for this because this one's got some roofing insulation under there because this was an automatic car. So we'll show you that here in a second, but we'll show you how to get rid of this sloppy toppy with the K-Tune shifters.
It's the driver's side.
Okie doke. Boom. Go to the next one.
All right.
Got my nuts off.
The bolt stayed in there.
Yeah. But yeah, here's the insulation I was talking about that they had in it. And they had some good old packing tape. So we're gonna go ahead and make this a little bit cleaner for them. And then we gotta get the shifter out now. So, yep, let's go ahead and get that out now. So we're down here. This bushing's obviously not the best, but you can see that play that's in the shifter. So that's what's locking this rod right here onto the top part. So we got to drop all this stuff down and then loosen up that one set screw. We're going to put some Loctite on it and lock it down for good. But there's the roofing insulation I was telling you about. So we're going to cover all that up with a little plate. So, yep. Let's start pulling it down. So yeah, we just pull the two 10mm bolts out of there and then pop that off, slide that down, and then voila, access to this great magical little screw that likes to back out due to vibrations that Hondas are notorious for having. Good. Make sure she's tight down in there. So yeah, after you get that put down in there and get it tightened back up, this bushing right here is a little seen better days, but yeah, after you get that one tightened up, it's pretty much done. Got almost all the slack out of it, so just enough to allow it to freely move. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw right back up there. got this little bracket made for them. Need to get a smaller hole saw so I can make them a new one and actually make it like perfect. There's little Austin's finger. But yeah, turned out pretty nice. And shifter is much tighter now that we tighten that ball up. And then yeah, we put a little bit of I put a washer under there, make it a little bit tighter. Now it ships perfect. So the stabilizer bar is still off. That's the reason why it's kind of weird right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this thing back together and then call it a night. But yeah, so that's how you tighten up a K-Tune shifter if you got a little bit of a looseness in your shifter. Thank you guys again for tuning in and checking it out. Like I said, I'll be trying to put on a lot more content, and you know, even if it's little things like this, you know, trying to help people out. That way they don't have to always take it to a mechanic, and if they have the tools and necessary and drive, they can get it done. But yeah, thanks again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it helped a couple people out. Hit the like and subscribe, and see you guys again soon.